Hello everyone, I'm Sibyl from Zintilon. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about sheet metal parts.
Sheet metal is a thin and flat manufacturing technology,
which is usually suitable for processing metals with a thickness of less than 12 mm, including cutting and forming, benching, bending, welding, and other processes.
You can assemble the part into any shape you like this. Firstly, our engineers will program and prepare the materials based on the drawings we received from our customers.
Secondly, the materials will be put in the laser cutting machine, and the laser cutting machine starts cutting the sheet according to the programming. It should be noted here that the effective cutting thickness of laser cutting varies with different metal materials, such as iron 12 mm, stainless steel 8 mm, aluminum 8 mm, brass 6 mm, copper 3 mm. Our workpieces are cut to within a tolerance of 0.02 of an inch. Once the cutting is complete, we will check whether the material's dimension meets the requirements of the drawing. Thereafter, our staff will do a manual deburring process on the workpiece. Thirdly, sheet metal benching will be performed. The benching includes tapping, countersinking, riveting, threading, convexing, etc. Fourthly, sheet metal bending begins. We will set the bending conditions according to the drawings and 3D models. The metal will be bent under 100 tons of pressure. You will immediately see the change in the shape of the metal. Lastly, multiple welding processes are available for your choice, such as TIG and laser welding. And afterwards, we will grind parts.
So far, all the procedures have been completed, but don't worry, we will check all the dimensions again to ensure the part is qualified. That's all for our video today, a simple but complete sheet metal manufacturing process. Thank you so much for watching this video. For any sheet metal fabrication, do not hesitate to contact us. See you next time!